homes sold this September than last, but the sold price is actually down 15.56%. It's Friday, October 25th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Attached units, townhouses, and condos outpaced detached home sales by 57.14%. Days on the market before a contract are up 11.11% from last year, too. This week, Annapolis Inventory for sale rose to 165, while only 18 properties are coming soon. 29 properties went under contract this past week, rising 71%. 24 homes sold in 9 days at 96.6% list to sold ratio. Industry forecasts predict that home prices will grow modestly in 2025, an average of 25.5% nationally, as you can see by this graph. However, some areas in Maryland may see more rapid growth than others. Stay tuned. Rentals rose to 44 available at $2,975 median dollars per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, October 25th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.